Hey everyone, welcome back. Is PUBG Mobile crashing the moment you tap the icon or closing itself before the main menu even loads? Here's the fix. First, swipe up and force close the PUBG Mobile completely from your recent apps. Now, go to your settings, then go to General, then go to iPhone storage and check your free space. PUBG Mobile is one of the largest mobile games and recommends around 20 gigabytes of free storage to load properly, and it crashes on launch when space is critically low. Free up room by offloading a few unused apps. If storage looks fine and it's still crashing, then go ahead and press and hold on the PUBG Mobile icon. Tap remove app, delete app, then tap delete app to completely uninstall it. Go to your app store, then search for PUBG Mobile, and then tap get to reinstall it fresh. After reinstalling, go to your settings, then go to general, then go to software update and install any pending iOS updates since crash reports spike heavily on outdated iOS versions. So all you've got to do is check storage, delete and reinstall fresh from App Store, update iOS, PUBG Mobile opens without crashing. Subscribe for more PUBG Mobile fixes.